What's up, YTPC? Uncle Willie coming to you on this Friday afternoon from the Mobile Lounge. Fun-filled Friday. First of all, I'd like to do a VR real quick to Zippo 765. He's doing a goal for his 300 sub giveaway. Congratulations, Zippo. I'm sure you'll hit 500 before long. He asked, what's your preferred method of lighting your pipe and why? Well, as many methods as there are to light a pipe, I choose butane. Just an old soft flame butane. But the thing about the soft flame is it's under pressure. So it gives off more flame than a match, because this is actually it's pushing the flame down. A match only burns up, and the same with the Zippo lighter. When you light it, there's no downforce of those. Not saying that that's the wrong way. That's just not my preferred way. So I like the way the butane pushes it down into the bowl, and you can pull up and back off ever how much flame you need. Dropped it, but I got it. It's odorless, tasteless, and like all fuels, it's pretty inexpensive. I just bought one of the big cans today when I was at Boswells, and I think it's like $5. The small can is almost $5, and the big can is only like $1 more, and it's like 3 times the size. So if you got room for the big can, get the big can. Cheaper. So there you have it, my friend. That's my preferred method. Why? And just a little demonstration how it burns down. If I light a match, it's only gonna, of course I can't do it, it's only gonna go up. It's not gonna go down. No directional function with the match or the Zippo. Now a little housekeeping. I'm using my 8-Deco little Buddha tamper. I like 8-Deco because it's got holes in them and you can smoke while you're tamping, puff while you're tamping. In my Suge Cat's Eye 9mm filter, and I am using a filter in this. And in it I have some Samuel Gall CH flake, chocolate flake. So a little tip. When you're using a filter, pack your pipe without a filter in the stem. Get it the way you want it with just a little resistance on the draw. Then put your filter in. That'll add the resistance that you need or you're looking for to give it a good draw when you're smoking. That way it takes the guesswork out of it, which is all guesswork with or without a filter. But just something to think about. So anyway, what did I get at Boswells? Well, since I'm smoking this stuff, 2 more tins. Well, they got it. Got to get it. 2 more tins of the Samuel Gall CH flake, chocolate flake, whatever you want to call it. The next 2 items I purchased because I'm sending them out to someone. Boswells Northwoods. The guy that's getting this has never had Northwoods. So I'm giving him the opportunity to try it. And some Five Brothers Burley. Those are going off far, far away. in a package. Then I picked up for myself 2 ounces of the Kendall, Kentucky. I didn't realize that it was like Penny Farthing or Telegraph Hill. It's such a fine ribbon cut. It's a shag cut. I smoked a bowl at Boswells, and the bowl I took to smoke in was regular size billiard, probably a 30, 40 minute, 45 minute bowl size. This was gone in like 15, 20 minutes. It's so thin that it just it takes the flame easy and then just burns right on up. So I only took 1 pipe because my intentions was when I got there today, I was gonna smoke some of this. Galworth and Hogarth Bob's Square Cut. The website description says that it's similar to Bob's Chocolate Flake. And I've been digging the chocolate flake recently. So I got 8 ounces of it. Well, you notice it's in a double bag. And the reason behind that is it's nothing like chocolate flake. Galworth and Hogarth or Sam Galworth, it's not like either one. We'll go over that in another video, but it is so strong smelling, I had to put it in a double bag just so it wouldn't leak through and give me that smell or essence, so to speak. And then out of the humidor, the selection of today was 2 San Cristobal Revelations. Yeah, I want to make sure I got the Revelation. And 5 Corona size Placencias, the Reserva Original. They're organic grown. The original. Then they had the infamous Drew Estate Liga Privada H99. $15 a piece. You only get 2. So I bought 2. I've been looking for them. They've been out for 2 years. Never seen one until today. So I grabbed 2. And since my pipe journey didn't work out so well while I was there and smoked that bowl in like 20 minutes, I went ahead and had a cigar, and I chose to have one of these 99s since I had plenty of time, nothing else to do. So I borrowed a cutter from a girl that was in there, a lady, a woman. And she had a real nice V cutter. When I cut it, the cap cracked, and then the wrapper cracked like a spider web going down the side. Because they're dry. They've been shipped, they've been out, they're dry. The wrappers are. They're not completely dried out. This one will go in my humidor and sit until probably the middle of June. If I got a special occasion, then I'll smoke it. So I showed the proprietor what happened, and he did the right thing, gave me another cigar for that one. He put the broken one in a bag so he could give it back to Drew Estate when they come back around and show them what happened. So I smoked the one while I was there, and in my honest opinion, it is not a $15 cigar. That's what they were there, $14.95, then plus tax, of course. I've seen people buying boxes of these things at different places online, on Facebook, spending $350, $400 for a box. They're spending $30 per cigar. If it was $17, I probably wouldn't have bought it. 15, I said, I'll try it out. It's a $10 cigar all day long. That's the best I can do. Now, I have two. Of course, it should have been 3 for that price, but I got 2 for 30 since they're 15 bucks a piece. I won't buy no more. I was able to smoke one and say that I've smoked it. Now I got one. It's a good cigar, just not a $15 cigar. To me, it's medium in strength, but the one I had, it burnt fine. It burnt smooth. It burnt perfect all the way up. No issues. I smoked it all the way. I mean, I practically nubbed it. But I had to, since I spent 15 bucks on it. Had it been an $8 or $10 cigar, I would have thrown it down at, inch and a half or so left. But not with that one. $15, I'm getting all my money's worth. So there you have it. Fun-filled Friday in a nutshell. I was expecting a pipe today. I was going to show you that. But I guess it's out there bouncing around somewhere in the back of somebody's truck. Post office, the tracking said it was supposed to be here yesterday by 9 o'clock. Well, our mail runs around noon, and if it ain't here then, they're not coming back out at 9 o'clock. So I figured it would show up today. When I got home, nothing. Mails ran, so hopefully it'll be here tomorrow. Anyway, I got enough pipes and enough stuff to do, but it's just the anticipation of getting a new one that you're waiting for. So maybe Monday or so next week I can show off my new pipe. So with that being said, done and shown, you know what to do till next time. Stuff them and puff them.